You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this dog breed name. We'll be looking at how to say more dog breed names that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. This is actually a French word meaning butterfly. In French it is said as papillon, so you can say it in English as papillon. Papillon. Easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more dog breed names and say them correctly. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.